Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be trying Latina makeup. And I'm so excited to try it because I'm going to be doing the trend where Latina makeup is tried on brown girls. And I'm obviously Indian, so I'm super excited for it. I've seen a lot of girls try it and they look so good on it. Hopefully I'm not an exception and I end up looking good in it as well. I've never done like a full face of makeup, and I thought the only full face of makeup I want to do myself is Latina makeup. So let's do that. I'm not going to ramble anymore. Let's get on with the video. And obviously if you like the look or if you like me in any way, shape or form, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Okay, I've looked at a lot of like Pinterest references for this, so hopefully I don't end up disappointing. Anyway, let's start. Actually, I'm not gonna try using my brain over here. I'm gonna look up like a Pinterest inspo and keep it here so I do not mess up at all. We are not taking any chances today. Okay, I found this gorgeous girl, so I'm gonna like take her as a reference, I guess. Anyway, let's get started. The first thing, I've seen a couple tutorials, but the first thing they do is brows. Now, if you remember, the last time I did my eyebrows, I looked like this. So we are going to try everything in our power to not look like that. I'm going to try everything in my power because we are not trying to recreate any of those memories. Actually, I ended up finding my eyebrow pencil, which is great. For starters, we're not using eyeliner. Everybody clap for me. Thank you. Anyway, let's get started. Like, if you see, my eyebrows are quite full. They're not thick, but they're full. So I don't really need to overdo the filling, otherwise you know what happens. Also, if I didn't mention, I've already prepped my skin, which is great. That's why I look a little glowy. And guys, my skincare routine is actually working on me. Like, knock on wood, this is not wood, this is cement, but still it's working, and I think I'm getting my glow back, which was one of the things I really wanted to for this year. There was this one girl in school, she was a year older to me or like 2 years older to me. She would always get her eyebrows done and they looked so good. Like, it looked like she filled it in, and I was always so jealous because it looked so good on her. And now I get why she did her eyebrows, because it really does frame your face. So I did a little bit of touching up on my eyebrows. Hopefully that is good enough, and I'm gonna also brush it up. Hopefully that did something. Now I'm gonna get on to concealing, which is the scary part. I'm gonna use my Born This Way concealer in the shade Taffy, put some of it on my hands, I guess, and get to work. I'm gonna like shape my eyebrows because that's what all these girls do for like the nice arched eyebrow. Do I look attractive yet? Just kidding. Anyway, what I'm gonna do is blend this in. Guys, I do agree though. I think eyebrows do frame your entire face, because I will pull up the pictures hopefully, but when I was a little younger, like, I used to get my eyebrows threaded all the time, and my eyebrows would be this thin, like literally like paper thin, and it didn't suit my face at all. Like, not in the slightest bit, but I still used to keep doing it. And now I do it with myself. Like, I do it myself with like a blade, and I think it makes a good difference because I think I keep it thick, but I still remove like the extra hair. So the eyebrows are done. Hopefully they don't look freaking crazy. At least that's what I'm hoping. I've already prepped my face, so let's go in with foundation. I'm thinking I'll use, like, since they always have like full coverage type of like makeup, I'm gonna try the Born This Way concealer as foundation, put it all over my face and blend it in because it's the highest coverage I have, to be honest. Also, these two have not gone. They have decided to stay, and honestly, at least somebody wants to. Just kidding. Also, I never apply foundation. I never have. I just use concealer as everything. By that, I don't mean like all over my face, just like places I need it. So this is the first time I'm like using foundation like properly. And not bad. I think this concealer is so like full coverage, but also lightweight, that it's looking really good. Don't forget the neck, kids. I always do, so I'm just reminding. Also, before we continue, I just want to say that I'm not a beauty guru, obviously. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going with the flow. So if you're under the impression that this is a makeup tutorial, it is not. It's just me trying to figure it out and figure it out with you guys because you all are my best friends. My only friends. JK, my friends hate when I say that, but you guys are very important to me. You know everything first, trust me. The foundation part looks fine. Next we'll go in with contouring, and they always go like ham with contouring. That's why their face looks so, or like bronzing. That's why their face looks so like snatched. So we're gonna try getting a snatched face today. Kryolan palette for a long ass time now. Let's pray it is not expired because I'm not about to get my face broken out. Yeah, whatever. I'll take the darkest shade, like one of the darkest shade, and just go in, I guess. Next thing I'll use is again the same brush I use for concealer because I don't have a lot of brushes and I'm thinking I should like buy a few, you know. Again, nose contour is so important, and me out of all genuinely needs to like snatch my nose up and have a good little contour. So nice. And again, I use a little bit of concealer for. And we start with blending. Actually, I'm gonna use a brush and see how it looks. Please don't screenshot this. It's a hideous face, I know, but it works. Hehe. Like I mentioned before, what I do is like whatever excess of like contour or bronzer there is, I just use it over here. So it doesn't look like harsh, like the harsh lines are not created. Again, just a tip, not a beauty guru. And I'm gonna blend in my contour with a beauty blender. Hopefully this looks about right and there's some sort of difference. If not, well, hallelujah! Nose contour in this is quite harsh, so I'm thinking I'll go over the nose contour again, or should I do it with like powder bronzer? I think I'll go over it one more time. Blush, she's used quite a bit, which is my favorite part. You will never catch me not using blush, or you will never catch me being like generous with my blush. I go all out. Like कंजूस नहीं होंगी मैं डाल दूंगी, पूरा डाल दूंगी, it doesn't matter. And then I blend with my beauty blender that I cannot find. What's the hell? Guys, I put on this accent sometimes because I just do. The Rare Beauty blush is the prettiest blush I've ever seen, and I say this every time, but I really mean it. The shade Hope is so good. It complements every skin tone. I feel like it's stunning. Okay, we're done with the blush. The next part is the lighter concealer, which I'm really scared for because this is going to be the most obvious part and it's going to like correct everything. So hopefully I don't mess this up. I'm using a Dior concealer. Let's just freaking go under the eyes and brighten them. Oops, I dropped some. Let me just keep it here in case. Do you think I'm pretty? Again, I'm gonna like blend this in and hopefully this blends well. Hopefully. Also, you guys, my sister and I have joined, like my sister has joined the same gym as me, which is amazing, like the car just said, because then I've started going more regularly, which is great, and it's always good to have like a partner with you, like going to the gym. And going with my sister has truly motivated me to go more, and I'm going to get my body. My dream body is coming. I've stopped eating that much junk too, which is rare. Like at night I used to always like, you know how people midnight snack, I used to do that a lot, like all the time, and now I've stopped myself from doing it and I don't do it. At least this year I haven't done it yet. And hopefully this wasn't like expired because I got this like a long ass time ago, and this is the only lighter concealer I have, so that better not ruin my skin. If it does, then at least we got a good video. So make sure you like, share and subscribe. I'm risking my skin for this video because I kind of want to. It's like punching my freaking face in a good way. This is what my face looks like right now. I think I've blended everything pretty properly. At least I hope I have. I think we're done with the cream part. We're gonna move on with powder part, and I'll bring life to my face as well as the eyes. Now, wish me luck with the eyes. I don't know if I can do lashes because I don't have lashes, so maybe I'll like double, triple coat my lashes so they look thick. We'll figure that out. For starters, we're gonna bake, and I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty powder in the shade Pound Cake. Love this stuff. It smells so good. It's just the best. And you can always count on Miss Huda Beauty. Lock everything in place. Weirdly, this is probably the most makeup I've had on my face, and it feels really light. This is the baking situation. Kind of crazy, I know. Eyeshadow, they really haven't done anything except eyeliner, so I'm gonna use my eyeliner and hopefully it looks good. Like a nice big winged liner, I think will do the trick definitely. For some goddamn reason, I've lost all my pen liners, so I'm stuck with her. And hopefully she does the trick, because sometimes, I don't know, I feel like a pen has a better grip in comparison to this, but I hope it does the trick. Not bad. Not bad. Let me just touch it up a little. And normally when I touch it up, I mess it up, so let's hope I don't. Let me fix that with like a cotton bud. I fully like jinxed myself. What the frick? 1 second. Okay, I fixed it. I didn't really do much. I just took my cotton bud and like micellar water and just removed the excess, which I think has done the job. Okay, now I'm gonna let it like dry for a bit and not make the same mistake I made before. Just let it dry. You know, sometimes I wonder, like, what if people can see through my window? I don't think they can because we have film on it, I guess. But imagine if they could, they would see me freaking talking to a camera every single day. And they'd be like, is she like, okay? Like, what's wrong with her? And I don't even mind. At this point, let it be. I don't care. I'm talking to you guys and I enjoy talking to you. Yeah, I think we're done with this. Next is the eyelashes part, which I'm gonna like layer on layer on layer. I feel like a little bit of my lashes are missing, like in between, like here, where did my lashes go? Like, are they following? Are they falling out? Like, what the hell is going on? Somebody please send help. But guys, my face looks like completely snatched. I'm kind of obsessed with this look. So while I let this coat dry, we're gonna start with again, contouring or bronzing. I don't really know the difference. That's why I say I'm not a beauty guru. I would drag them to the filth, like in the sense that I would bring them to shame if I was a beauty guru. Again with my little nose contour as well, bring that to life. It's harsh. How do I not make it harsh? Is that good enough? I think so. Next is a blush. I use the Pom Pom from Benefit. Favorite thing in the world again. And I also remove the excess. I've removed the excess powder, which I think looks pretty good. Once that is done, we move on to my second layer of mascara. You know, my least favorite thing about mascara is when you remove it, it makes you look like a panda. And the thing is, you look like you have like really dark eyes for the next day and a half. Maybe I remove it wrong, but that's what it makes me look like. But I love mascara, so am I ever going to give it up? No. Okay, I'm gonna wait for my little mascara to dry. So while that's happening, what's up you guys? I hope this week and a half of 2025 has been great for you. You are following your resolutions and reaching up to that point. Good things take time, always remember that. I think this has dried enough. We're gonna go with the last coat. Hopefully my lashes don't fall off. If you see my eyes, like, what the hell is this? Like, make it make sense. We shall also do some highlighting. I use the Bobbi Brown highlighter in Pink Glow. She's stunning. Also very broken. In my previous video, I forgot to blend my inner corner highlight, and we're not gonna make the same mistake. The next thing I'm gonna do is lips. I'll remove it later, I promise. But lips, normally people have a very matte, like, is that Bambi? There's this puppy, like a stray puppy in our building who looks like Bambi. Have you guys ever read the book or seen Bambi? I think she's a Bambi or a deer. Bambi.
Guys, I was literally editing the video and I just looked up like, what is Bambi? My dumbass till this date, I'm 21, thought Bambi is a whole different species. But in reality, Bambi was about this male deer who was named Bambi. Thank you for subscribing.
I don't know, but she looks like a Bambi, so I've named her Bambi. Angel, she's so skinny, not because she's not eating, she eats, but she's just Kendall Jenner of like the dog community. Anyway, so lips, they do like a nude, like brown lip liner and nude in the middle, so I'm gonna try that. I use the edge of liner in Choco Butter, and I'm gonna obviously overline. Yeah, that looks like a lot of overlining. But anyway, I'll use some concealer in the middle. I think that should do the trick. I'm using this concealer from my Kryolan palette. It is filthy, do not judge. But I'll use this shade, I think it's 3W, and put it in the middle. I tap it on with this and then I tap it so it blends in, and again, use some of this. A perfect nude lipstick. Stunning. Love her. Love the entire little, like, I guess the last step left to do is set it all in, and I use the MAC Fix Plus spray. Let it all melt into my face because there is a lot, so it needs to melt in. Cannot wait to keep on trying it over and over again because I love the way I look right now. I feel so snatched, so good, but at the same time I don't look like I've kicked my face, which is rare because normally I do feel like that. It feels so lightweight, so good. And yeah, if you guys enjoy this makeup look, make sure you like, share and subscribe and comment what you would like to see next. Bye.